Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're at Bill Thomas Camper, and we've got a really nice one for you. It's a 2025 Lance 2565. Let's check it out. So as I mentioned, it is a 2025 unit, and a Lance 2565, and it has a fantastic floor plan. Let me just show you the off-camp side real quick. We have a single slide. We have two storage compartments. I'll just show you real quick. There's not a lot of room in here, but this goes under the dining area. But it's handy for any outdoor storage you have, gloves or camping gear. We also have the battery storage here, and you can see that slides out, easy glide. And then we also have a little storage for your cable and your main power shutoff, your propane tanks up front. We also have the power tongue jack, and we have two doors, which is very nice. This goes into the bedroom, and I'll show you that in a moment. And then on this side we have another battery, and again it's the easy glide that allows you to slide that out and replace the battery very easily. You have this excellent storage setup, and then you can also fit, brooms, fishing poles, things like that. And then we have the table that you can use for outdoor dining. Naturally, you could use it for indoor as well. We'll button that up. We have two entryways, so you have two sets of steps. We also have tandem axle, and this is the camp side. You can see your corner jacks. There's the 2565. We'll get in out of the noise of the highway. Well, let me real quick show you. We also have this really nice screen, and it's so clean the way Lance sets everything up. So here's the exciting news. Check that out. We have two recliners. You can see the control for the recliner, and then also we have this tabletop. I'm not going to drop it down, but you have a leg that drops down to allow you to use that as your dining area should you want. And then on the cabinets, you can see the LED lighting up here every time you open that up. And I'll hold this off to the side so you see it. When you open that up, it lights up. So you got three across. You have task lighting for reading, and then windows galore. So these are the European style, and you have your privacy from the bottom, and then you have your screen from the top. And then these are double pane. They're plastic, double pane, but allow for great cross ventilation here as we spin around and look at this is the single slide, and you've got great cross ventilation here. Here's a little caution information as far as the acrylic windows when it goes to cleaning them. And then you can see here's your storage underneath your benches, and then those outdoor cubbies that I showed you, they would be right here. And then if you just push this button, that locks this, so you can see that I can't open it. It's the magic of the button. Let me back up and show you the kitchen area. Here you have padded for your taller folks so they don't hit their head, your power controls. And then we'll show you, you've got your garbage right there. So if you're cutting or cleaning on the kitchen sink, these flip up to give you additional counter space. Here we have the single bowl kitchen sink, and then you have your restaurant style, which is very nice, and that also swings out of the way. Cabinets, and well, I'll show you these drawers. Cabinets and drawers galore, and I've got more cabinets to show you in a moment, but Lance really hits it out of the park when it comes to cabinets. Very nice oven setup. And then I do want to show you the 3-burner cooktop, but this is really stout. Very stout. I'm really impressed with that. We also have your hood, and then you have your LED lighting, which you can see is extremely bright. We also have the microwave oven up here, and then soft close or easy close cabinets. And then over here we have a shelf, and again, soft close, easy close. Let me swing around. I mentioned cabinets earlier. Here's another cabinet, and then the little cubby. Great place to plug in your cell phones, let them charge up. We have your JBL stereo. We have your flat screen TV, and just really a nice setup. Lance really, in my opinion, makes a very, very nice high-end fit and finish trailer. So let me, I mentioned cabinets earlier, more cabinets, and I'll wear you out about the cabinets. You have your privacy door here. So if you have folks staying here in the drop down, that drops down, you can sleep. If you have folks out here, you can close this privacy door to give privacy to the bedroom. Now, naturally, if they have to use the bathroom, they're gonna have to come in. And I mentioned cabinets a moment ago. Here's another cabinet. We have the medicine cabinet. Below the sink cabinet, we have the corner shower. We have more cabinets. And then outside the bedroom, we have plenty of cabinets. And that's the thing about Lance. And that one, you can see the light flips on when you open the door. And here's the mechanism for it right here. But that's one thing that Lance does a fantastic, well, they do so many things that are nice, but solid wood drawers. They do so many things that are nice, but cabinet space is always a premium in an RV, and Lance takes advantage of that to the fullest. So we have cabinets on both sides of the bed, and you have a place to hang your clothes up. We also have the drawer here for additional personal items. And then this light switch, very nice, and that controls both sides as you see there. Just a really, really nice setup. You have your task lighting. You can use this for mood or for reading. Windows, you have that large window there at the front. We saw that from the outside. And then you have two on one on each side. So cross ventilation here is going to be fantastic. We also have this second door and a screen there, and your magazine racks inside the door panels. I do want to come around and show you. We have additional space above the bed, and then we also have that cabinet, which is a mirror of the other cabinet. Let me move out of the way here, and holy cow, look at the amount of storage underneath the bed, and just outstanding. You can mount another TV here. It's already ready to go. You have the HDMI, residential, your cable, what would that be, the 12 volt, and just really nice. Now, earlier I mentioned you had that privacy door. You also have this privacy curtain. So you can close both of these at the same time, and then that way, those coming in and out have privacy. They leave privacy for the bedroom. Very nice setup. You have a mirror on the bathroom door. And we'll end this video by just showing you the seating area again. Really a nice setup here, in my opinion. And then Lance always gives you a nice clock in your RV. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to the comments on this one. I really like this floor plan. Really a nice RV for $25. Hope you enjoy it as well. Thank you again.